Let's get it. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. As a reminder, this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. My @ is Teambull Trading. It's 6:55 a.m. Mountain Time on August 24th, 2026. It's Kobe Day. 8:24, man. It's Kobe Day. It's Kobe Day. R.I.P. the legend. R.I.P. the legend. It is Kobe Day. Trading app name? This is TradingView. I'm charting on. Premium link. All right, guys. What's going on? What's up, NI? What's up, Knee? Mr. or Mrs. Knee. Nice, Michael. Well, you're going to learn a lot from him, man. I got a lot of value on there. I got a ton of value on there. Perfect. Thank you, bro. I got a good night of sleep last night too, guys. We're ready. I hope you guys did too. It's Money Monday for us here on National Kobe Day, August 24th. Good morning. It's my first day here and I use Liquid Broker. It sounds like an FX broker. That sounds a little sketchy. Sounds a little sketch. Good morning, King. What's up, fam? Good morning. Good morning, bro. Good morning. What's up, What's up, Artif? No Man Ski for the love. Phalanx, Ashraf, Grawny, Callan, Jeff, Vibra, Joe. What's up, everybody? Welcome in. What's good? Top of the day. Let's get it, baby. All right, what do I trade? The NASDAQ primarily. What's up, Cade Miner? What's up, Big Heem? Good day to have a good day ahead of us. You got 3 comma club, man. I am in 3 comma club. But 3 comma, that'd be crazy. 10. Actually, yeah. 3 comma club, yes. I'm tripping. I thought you spent 100 mil. I was like, nah, not yet. Good morning, everybody. Top of the week and top of the day. How are y'all doing today? What's up, chat? Good morning on a marvelous Monday. I'm looking at some NQ buys. How we doing, chat? Talk to me. How we all doing? You guys ready to win this week? Good morning, Wes. Good morning, Snarf. Dude, this candle is fire. Got a fresh candle we're lighting for a fresh week. What's up, Sherlock? Let's get it, bro. Come on. We can get agreement with Gene too. Gene the trading machine. That's right. We absolutely will. Good weekend? Oh, it's been a great weekend, bro. I got nothing to complain about. Let's catch a banger today, baby. We had a nice, hopefully too. But hey, you know what? We manage our risk either way. I'm hoping to win some trades. But if not, we manage our risk regardless. That's how I look at it. We're going to manage our risk or manage how much we win. Don't. I'll put ES up over here. We had a really nice Sunday walkthrough last night too. Had a great weekend. Mom's B-Day, my kids' B-Day, family's in town. Honestly, I got nothing to complain about. Nothing to complain about from my end. Life is good. No blowing accounts for me. Good morning. Good morning, fam. Yes, I'm hoping we get a green with Gene. I'm blue. I'm a diva. I will die. All right, let's see here. I'm going to get this link put out. Make sure everyone knows that we are on the live stream, and then we'll go ahead and get started here in a few minutes with our almost at Sunday prep, with our Monday prep, with our new week prep. With our new week prep. Yep, it does help. Helps us get more people in here. That is correct. That's why I send the link to my broadcast channel and to my X when I go live. Not my ex-girlfriend, my ex, my Twitter. Do I reckon the NVIDIA AI price increase and Tesla rise will have much effect on us today? It could. If it leads tech, for sure. Definitely could. We'll see. What's up, Trill? Mr. Smith, the Sunday live video was still up on my comp, and somehow it randomly at 2 a.m. replayed all I hear is "What's up, everyone? How was everyone's weekend?" Woke me up. Yep. Jdun's in your dreams. DOD's creeping into your dreams now. DOD's creeping into your dreams, man. You can't get away from the DOD monster. It's like the boogeyman under your bed, but the discipline man. Can't get away from it. Sorry. Will Walmart go up today since they added Apple Pay? Probably not. Yeah, if it's on the no, you didn't. If it's on Tradeovate, respectfully, Tradeovate's the same for pretty much every firm. It's probably on your end. Wealth Charts is good too. Wealth Charts is good. Trade C, I've heard. I've heard people like the layout, like the UI, but I've heard sometimes it can be a little iffy. Not to say it's bad, but that's just the feedback I've heard. I don't. DX feed is okay. It's not my favorite. We don't do morning prayer until 9:28 a.m. 2 minutes before open. We will do our morning prayer every single day. Good morning, Julio. What's up, chat? Hope you guys all had a great weekend. Your boy did for sure. Spent it with lots of family. How do I feel about Pokemon cards as investments? I mean, I think anything you get at the right price can be a good investment. My weekend was great, Lily. Thank you. You know, I got to give it to Top Step. They haven't had any drops this year. They haven't been drop steps since last year. How was little one's first week at school? It was good. Thank you for asking. He did pretty well, all things considered. What's up, Corey? Good morning. All things considered, he did very good. Don't. Getting everything set up for the day. Of course, we got to have our Asia levels too, since y'all don't ever be reminded. What the heck? Where'd it go? There we go. There it is. Dude, why do I keep clicking that? There we go. I just accidentally exited indicator twice. There we go. All right, everybody. Good morning, chat. I will be collecting Pokemon cards very soon for his son. Pulling up card shows. Card shows is crazy. Don't. What app or website do all the big traders use? TradingView is a good one for charting. Tradeovate's great for execution. I like Tradeovate for execution a lot. TradingView for charting. There's some other tools and such you can use, but those are the main ones. Show us dance moves and break it down. We don't want that this early. You don't want that this early, my guy. For NES, those games have skyrocketed in value, so I want to auction for 115K. Damn. I hope I have a better week. Last week was tough. Hopefully the market actually moves. I have a Super Mario's Bro enclosed in plastic. That's pretty nice. Nice. Yep. Today's going to be a shorter day for me. Potentially even a no trade day. Just because I have to go so early. But rest of the week should be solid. Tuesday. Never. Bro cooked the market. Yeah, we'll see. I pray no HOA Karens follow you on social media watching you feed Lenny a daily snack. I know, I was waiting for it. There's only one Karen in the comments. Lenny is great. She just be vibing. I'm like, yeah, giving Lenny a few pieces of watermelon. Boo-hoo. What's up, Prame? My HOA indeed does have some Karens in it. That is for sure. They love watermelon. Yes, they do. Why can I never find the exact chart you see? I know it's NQ. You just gotta look up NQ. Or if you're on Schwab TOS, it's dash NQ. Or slash NQ, excuse me. Feed, yeah, bring it on. I will always feed Lenny. My kid goes to school in the afternoons. He does afternoon session. He's like Gene for trading. Trades afternoon. He likes trading the afternoon sesh. Good morning, everybody. Welcome in. Good. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. I hope you're all having a great day so far. I am live. It's also the last day of our Take Profit Trader deal as well, guys. 50% off and 3-day pass. 3-day pass and 50% off. Use code Jdun. It's the final day of that sale. Which, if you're trading with TPT, it's a dang good deal. Daily payouts on day one of funded. Morning, everyone. What's up, fam? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Do I think gold will retrace? I have no idea. I have no idea if gold will retrace. I don't watch gold during the day. For one, it's dangerous for people trading alongside me to trade, and for two, it's just not something I have a ton of interest in trading. I'll be trading the NASDAQ, ES, and even potentially Tesla. Yep. Share story. Join. If you see this, you still got grandma here too. Hopefully that means we can get some shorts. Oh, there we go. Here's that. All right. Allow, bada bing, bada boom. I got a busy freaking day. Hopefully we can use that freedom of trading and catch a banger first thing in the morning. Jdun the LARPer, yup. Yup. Good morning to you too. I woke up rich. I woke up rich too, baby. In a lot of ways. In a whole lot of ways. Dun-dun, dun-dun-dun. All right, Chad. I got a good feeling about this week. I got a good feeling about this week, chat. Feeling my bones. We're going to have a good week. I seen a lot of you guys actually did semi-decent. We were talking about it towards the end of stream. We had a lot of people who actually did all right this week or last week. That's great. This week's got to be better than last. Well, regardless, you manage your risk. Hello, Jdun. Jdun. That's a new one. I was Jdun when I busted my knee open skiing a while back, for sure. That was me for sure. We don't have a whole lot going on in movement for all of the tech either. SpaceX 136. The Team Bowl app is almost done, bro. It's so close. So close. It got approved. We're just making a few more touches, and it will be good. It will be good to go. After a few more touches. We're almost there, chat. A little room down to 28.8 if we keep shorting. I agree. If we go down below 29.2 today with the daily close, it looks good for continuation down. Last week had me about to lose my eval. Well, let's change that around, Miss Aaron. Let's make this week better. Let's turn that eval upside down. Let's get it moving. Did I pray? Not yet. We pray every day 2 minutes before open. Only 1,100 from my next payout. Attaboy, white noise. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. That's the type of energy I want y'all bringing in on Monday morning. Getting close to payouts, making progress. That's what we're looking for. That's what we need. That is what we need, baby. Appreciate y'all being here, making this a part of your Monday morning routine. Don't. I passed my first eval last night. Let's go. Hey man, I love to join in writing from Canada. Welcome in, Mr. Canadian Bacon. Welcome in, dog. Nice to have you. Nice to have you in, my friend. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in. Hopefully I can be of service to you today and help you make progress in your trading. I'm going to do my best to. I'm going to try. How am I doing? I'm doing great. How are you doing, bro? Hopefully we can catch a nice day. Last week was kind of boo-boo. So we will see. We will come and see. Don't. All right. Good morning, everybody. Let's get this money on a beautiful Monday morning. God bless us for being able to trade today. Yes, we are so thankful and so blessed we can come on and trade together today. What a gift it is. What a gift that we have this opportunity together this beautiful morning. I'm pumped for the Team Bowl app. I'm pumped for you to try the Team Bowl app, baby. Attitude of gratitude. That's right. A whole lot of it. Whole lot of gratitude, man. I'm stoked. I'm stoked. Mr. Jean's coming with the morning coffee. So that's always good. It's always a good thing. Always a good thing. We need the morning coffee. It's like the fuel. It's like our fuel. And we need our fuel, baby. Oh, what's up, chat? What's up, chat? Jdun has no consistency. Let you make all you can in a single day. Technically speaking, yes. There's my guy. What's up, Artemus? Let's go. Come on now, baby. Yep. With no consistency rule, you don't have to have each day a certain percentage of your profit, which is really nice for a lot of traders who, really like to hold their wins, which is technically speaking what you should be doing consistently with a live account. What's up, Gene? Technically speaking, that's the best way to trade. That's why low consistency rules are very tough. They're very challenging to. Team Bowl app is not available in the Play Store. It's also not available in the iOS store yet either. It will be soon. It will be this week. It'll be on iOS for iPhones this week. All right, everybody, welcome in. Thank you guys so much for being here. Appreciate you guys making this a part of your Monday morning, part of your daily routine, and coming in every day, following your rules, and doing your best to be the best version and best trader version of yourselves. That being said, we're going to start our blessed day off with a morning prayer. We're very thankful to be here, and let's give thanks to the God that allows it to happen. So God, Heavenly Father, thank you so much for another week and another chance to grow together. We're so thankful that you give us the wisdom to recognize the right opportunities, and you give us the patience to wait for them so we can be the best version of ourselves and apply the best practices each and every day. We pray for our health, our happiness, our peace, our friends, family, and loved ones, and everyone around us to have good decisions, to have health, to have focus, and to have prosperity in whatever they are choosing. God, we pray that you help lead us with gratitude, keep us strong in our losses, and humble in our wins. God, please allow us to follow our plan and have a beautiful, blessed week all together as one community. In God's name we pray. Amen. Let's get it. Let's go. Amen. Health, happiness, and peace for all. Good, happy Monday morning. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Wait, I can barely hear you. Goes, hang tight. All right, try now. What up? What's up, man? Yeah, let's go. Let's make ourselves a bag. Yep. Let's make ourselves a bag. How was your weekend, bro? That was good, man. Good. Nice. You doing anything fun? Yeah. You know what's in less than a week, right? Football. We got college football this weekend. How fire is that? It's great. Constantly, bro. Constantly. Damn, you missed the short. Sir, the market has been open for 20 seconds. Oh. Just full. The August has not been super friendly to me either, but we're going to change that this week. We're going to change that up this week. We got some pretty aggressive volume coming in, so we'll see. See what we get here. Good morning, everybody. It's a good day and a good week to choose DOD, discipline over dopamine. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Choose DOD for the day. Follow your plan, trade smart, and trade safe. Got the candle lit, the greens, the coffee. All is well. All is well on this side. Hopefully all is well on your side too, chat. Mario said, wish me luck, guys. Today is my last trading day before my first payout. All right, here's the deal. If today's your last trading day before your next payout, make sure you have a maximum loss limit in mind. And I say that first because I want you to have your risk defined and managed in case it doesn't go your way. I've seen too many traders that they're one day from payout and they go from $200 away to down $2,000 and blow the account. So make sure you have your maximum loss limit in place. Keep your size small. Keep doing what you've been doing to get here. And, just either A, make it work, or B, you live to trade another day. Present circus. I'm glad you think, well, my trading kind of has been somewhat. No, honestly, I kept it really small last week. It would take one A+ day to be green to make up all of last week's, well, not all, but I had one break-even trade that ended up going 50 points and then one red trade Wednesday. But we're gonna pull the trigger this week. We're gonna kill it. We are going to kill it, everybody, each and every one of us. You're gonna kill it. You're gonna kill it. Alex is gonna kill it. Jessica's gonna kill it. Snarf's gonna kill it. Dirk's gonna kill it. That's right. Hey, it's also Kobe Day, guys. It's 8/24. We can't have a red day. It's Kobe Day. Come on now. RIP the legend. It is Kobe Day. We are not allowed to have a red day. No, I'm kidding. Kobe missed plenty of shots in his career. We're not allowed to mismanage risk. We're going to give it our all and work hard as heck today. Give it our all and work hard as heck. Yeah, it's 8/24, man. Those are both of his numbers. Good morning, Big Red. Good morning, bro. I'm new to trading. Why did we get this big red candle? Because we have more aggressive sellers than buyers. In reality, that's the only reason. We have more aggressive sellers than buyers. That's it. As a reminder, guys, if you need a dude, Big Zo, I don't want to talk about it, bro. We gave away our best defender. DeMar DeRozan's nice. Don't get it twisted, but he's just old, man. He's been in the league this is his 18th year. Sell is done. We'll see. That was me for real, Tyler, seeing that news. Nuggets signed DeMar DeRozan. I know, I seen that. Yup. What is my bias on the day? So my weekly bias here and my daily bias is that if we break below this 29.2 aggressively, I think we have more downside room to like 28.9, like this 28 mid, the higher 28s. So I'd like to see us close this daily candle down here. Obviously, we got a long way till today closes, but we've held this support multiple times. We'll see if we can end up holding it here. I'm going to wait the first 15 minutes. Wait for my A+ setup and try to see if we can find one banger for the day. That's all it takes, guys. One good trade a day. If you can take one good trade a day, it'll keep a lot of your life's problems away. And on the days where you take a good trade, even if it loses, got to remember this. When I say one good trade, I don't mean one winning trade. When I tell you guys 1 to 2 good trades a day, I do not mean 1 to 2 winning trades. You must be able to differentiate that. 1 to 2 good trades. Because if you do 1 to 2 good trades over time, there's a very high probability over time that you are going to win, right? You're going to trade new night sessions in December? I don't know. I occasionally trade Asia, even now. Here and there. All right, if you're on the TikTok, as a reminder, I appreciate you guys being here, hitting that follow button. If you guys haven't already, make sure you tap it in and liking the live too. You guys hit 100K plus likes. Good things happen for you guys. I got accounts that got to find homes. So appreciate y'all being here, hitting that like, tapping that screen over and over, hitting that follow button in the top left corner. Follow up, baby, follow up. And if you haven't yet, make sure you check out the YouTube. I'm simultaneously live there right now. You get full screen share, get to see my whole charting, everything that I do. I know TikTok is great for introducing us to each other. I'd love for you guys to eventually make the hop over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. That's JDUN Trades. We focus on the DoD system. Every trade that I take is live. Win, lose, or draw, it's all live for you guys, and we have a good time every day. So appreciate y'all being here. Check out the YouTube, Jdun Trades, and let's get it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got some good deals and prop from world this week. Also, we added top 1 futures to our partner list. They got some good deals. I've seen a lot of Team Bull traders were checking them out. They do have Trade-Evate Ninja Trader. So if you'd like to get funded with top 1, you can use code JDUN now. You can use code JDUN. We also got Take Profit Trader 50% off. We got Apex 90% off. FF 40% off. We got a lot of good deals in prop world. A lot of good deals in the prop firm space as long as you're choosing DoD, trading smart, and trading safe. Yes, yes, yes. What do you guys do this weekend? How's everyone's weekend? Tell me one fun thing you guys did this weekend, chat. What was one thing that made you happy you did this weekend? Thunder Valley, nice. Hiking, flew your balloon, handball tournament, work, clean the house. Closet with my daughter, got a new puppy, nice. Beach volleyball, went on the house in the rock. Went to the house in the rock in Wisconsin, it was super cool. Saw my friend's new baby girl, congrats to your friend. Coached son's football game, oh, that's great. Deep tissue massage. Ministered to my wife, that's awesome. That's great. Went to the beach. Did some work on the RS3. Nice. Saturday was my birthday. Very nice. Lots of good stuff happened at the tea party. Oil party. Riker's birthday was great. Yep. I too had a kid's birthday. My kid turned 3. Picked up the new RS7. Congrats, bro. That's awesome, man. Congrats, man. My pastor said that our services are going to be streamed overseas to over 1 billion people. That's amazing. That is amazing, man. Used code JDUN. I appreciate you. Real ones use code JDUN. That's right. Real ones only. Real ones only. That's right, baby. Come on now. I know you're a real one. I know you're a real one. I know you're a real one. Don't. Made a goal of mine to watch you for a month and learn while paper trading. That's awesome. I would love you to alter that a little and trade, not just paper trading though. I'd encourage you to get a prop firm account. You don't even have to use code Jdun. You can use whatever code you want, or don't use a code or whatever. I just want you to use. I want you to have some skin in the game so that you can be gaining valuable experience. That's the most important part: is you have skin in the game, gaining valuable experience, and that's why paper trading's tricky. Because you don't want to be on a sim account that's giving you no emotional push forward. You can use a paper account to learn how to trade. That's fine. Even now that we have prop firms, you don't even really need that. Just, get a $30 prop firm account. You're going to buy one, get one free from Top One for $39. You get 2 accounts for the price of one. Or Apex, you can get them for like $30, $40. There's lots of good ways for you to have a little skin in the game, not put a huge financial burden on yourself with, $20, $30, $40 account, and learn that way. Went to Horsetooth. Nice. Porsche Day, Cars and Coffee on Saturday. Nice. I did not get to go this week to any car shows. No car shows for me this week. No car shows for you, boy. That's one of my favorite things to do on the weekends. We're getting a decent sell off the open, guys. It's going to be very interesting to see how we react to this 29,000. These whole site numbers like 29,000 are typically pretty solid for bounces. So we'll see how we react once we get down there. We will see how we react once we get down to that area. In the meantime, choose DOD, trade smart, trade safe. In the meantime, choose DOD, trade smart, and trade safe. Do I fly when I go to Austin? Reread the one thing and got chapter 16 of 12. Hey, that's awesome. I love the one thing by Gary Keller, and I also love the 12-week year. I have both those books literally right behind me. Love both those books. Both great books. Sweet symphony, let's ride. Don't. Yep. I have to get off a little earlier today. I have to get off around like 11 Eastern time. So today's gonna be a shorter trade-in day. Typically speaking, Mondays are my least profitable type of day. That's what my data tells me. That's not just what I tell me, but that's what data tells me. So, either way, I mean, the last week was all felt like it was Monday every day. But we'll see. The drop is real. Maybe a 10, 15 pull up. I think so. What do I think of all these whales shorting the NASDAQ? I think that it's a very good likelihood we get a pullback. This market, every time we've tried to get a meaningful pullback, they just pump it more. So it's a little tricky shorting it until we see.
All the people that I've ever met that try to constantly short the market, they're not profitable.
Yep.
In my experience, if they're not investing long term, bullish, trading too low.
I agree with that. Pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. That's what they say. You can make good money. You can make good money shorting the market, but don't sweet to be. This is where I wanna be. Apparently they're shorting the NASDAQ at a high volume. Yeah, we'll see. We will see what they end up giving us. If we got a high volume reversal candle at 29,000, I'd be down for that. I would be down for that. I'd be super down for that. Your biggest objective today, everyone, should be following your plan, trading smart and trading safe. You come in and choose DOD every day, you can't lose. You can have small setbacks and red days, but you can't lose over time if you're not blowing yourself up, because 95% of people will blow themselves up. 95% of people are taking 100 trades. Not you, though. You're a DOD trader. Our 15-minute range is set on NQ, which means it's scenario time. Guys, guess what? The free course comes out Wednesday as well. The free course is dropping on Wednesday. Potential 2-bar here. Not quite late enough in the day for that. I mean, you have the right idea though, for sure. Still in the 15-minute range. Off the open. Need to see us move. I'd like to see us move below 29,000 with strength, strong level, or any sort of short bias. If we reclaim 29,000 with high volume / aggressive buying, I'll look for a long entry. Short Monday for me. Trading smart and trading safe. And Tesla decided to fall off a cliff this morning too. 362 to 352. Same with NVIDIA. NVIDIA had a strong push down as well. I got all my individual names up on the screen. If I see something on them, I'll let you know. I know there's a few of you guys out there who said they'd take an individual stock trade or an options trade. Don't make options done come back. I was seeing some of my old videos the other day. It was hilarious. It's like, damn, that was really peak content back in the day. That was peak content back in the day. That did trade like a 2-bar. It did. I wonder if... Nope, no 2-bar confirmation. Options done, shoe game. Yeah, options done had it going on. For sure. I'm you at 900 key level. Where can we find the free course? I will have it posted for you guys on Wednesday. Yep, Wednesday it will be out. Made 245. I'm out. Nice job, bro. 245 in 20 minutes. That's some dang good money. New here, do I still trade options? Not a whole lot. But if the NASDAQ keeps on doing some BS, I might. One of my biggest days were with options. Don't make me rip 100K in Tesla calls again. I'll do it. I'll do it. Don't tempt me. Don't tempt me with a good time. Don't tempt me with it. Okay, guys, we're still just waiting to see which way they want to push us today. I like to see some nice clear trend days or a nice clear reversal. One of the two. The app is so close, bro. It's literally so close. There's a few things I want to change on the journal. So that's why it's not out yet. You guys will be able to download the Teambolt app this week in the App Store. Good morning, everybody. We prayed at 9:28. We pray every morning 2 minutes before open. So we'd love to have you join us tomorrow. Every morning, 2 minutes before open. Every single day. Every single day. Every single morning. We start our day blessed. Apex, Lucid, Tradeify. Dun, 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 dun. Do not keep going. I will see. We will see what we'll see, guys. Welcome in. Jackson Hole 2 could get spicy. Yeah, it could. It's been spicy in the past. How much? I didn't pay. It was a friend of mine that helped me make it. Owed me some favors. Besant speaking it too. They're just going to keep pumping this freaking market. I'm telling you. Besant's going to say, hold my beer. Let me pump this market up real quick. He's going to say, hang tight. Let's just pump this market. Well, ES is having a nice rebound up to that point of control, 50% retracement. NASDAQ, not a ton yet. Maybe NASDAQ's lagging. Wish we had a bit more volume here. Calling Trump to hit buy. I think this 29,000 area could be a nice area for longs. I wish if we would have had higher volume on this candle, I almost 100% would have tried longs on this retest here. If we had some aggressive buying here, for sure. It's one of my favorite setups. Whole cycle number mixed with a key level, high volume reversal. Love those setups. It's been very good to me over time. Very, very good for me over time. Don't. Music gonna start making me do push-ups or something? Yeah, just every time you think about revenge trading or over trading, just do 20 push-ups. You'll either have really good trading habits and make a lot of money, or you'll be ripped. One of the two. It's one of my favorite analogies. Are like, every time you think about breaking your rules, you take a bad trade, just do 20 push-ups, 30 push-ups. Trend is showing shorts. I agree with that, but I do like a high volume reversal. Broke or yoked. That's right. Broke or yoked. One of the two. I know that I'd be ripped and rich or healthy and wealthy, but we're getting there. We're getting you guys there slowly, all right? For real though, put a trade in like you're gonna take it. Do a 5-minute workout and watch how it would have played out. All right, I'm down with that. Who else is ready for some September trading? Anyone else? I know I am. I'm psyched for September trading. August is always a little slow. I mean, we're going to kill it the rest of August. I'm putting that out in the universe. But that said, I am ready for some September trading. Very, very ready. My birthday's in September. There we go. We are due for a heat-seeking missile of a trade. I completely agree with that statement. 100%. I cannot agree more. Oh, whoops. Could not agree more. And where am I from? I'm from Nebraska originally, bro, but I live in Colorado. But it's just the price I pay. Yeah, I love the mountains, man. I mean, Midwest is great. I would potentially live back in like Nebraska one day, but I just not full time. I love hiking and skiing and stuff. I was not really. I mean, no, nothing imminent. Why? I was. Yeah, I would. If we had high volume on that reversal, I would have looked for a long down on a retest of 29,000. But right now, I guess only really shorts too with that retracement of the day. That middle line, point of control. If we do get a nice trend day, It's probably going to retrace to here. Do I know anybody who isn't named Bro? No. All my friends are named Bro. We're all bros. We're all bros. We got freaking, yep, Brosefs, Brosippies. They're all bros. All of us. We're all getting money. We're all getting money. We are all getting ourselves some moolah. Did I short? No. I do like this 29,000 area for longs. I just wish we had more volume. Got any hex? No. Nope. Just waiting for volume here. Yeah, waiting for some sort of confirmation. Waiting for some sort of confirmation up or down. I mean, technically speaking, if you're just looking at the trend setting candle, this could have been an area. This 50% retracement here, 29,030. For one, it would have had like 70 points of risk, and for two, it was just inside the 15-minute zone a little early. Little early for my liking, personally. I would have rather seen us test up to like point of control, Asia low. We had a bunch of stacked key levels up here. A bunch of stacked key levels. You guys know how I feel about a stacked key level. So our next potential setup would be like this 985 to 29,000. I don't like shorting these whole site numbers without really aggressive action. That being said, I think this could be a lower high in here. Test up 985, 29,000, stops at like 29,040. Orb is setting up. That's right. We don't quite have ES leading, and it hasn't been, the strong trends haven't been as aggressive lately, but we'll see. Let's see what that looks like in terms of a retest here. So the orb setup would be like 985. I'd probably rather see like 29,000. The orb setup's at 985 here. I'd probably like to see 985 up to like 29,000 if we're gonna see a reject. You don't want it simple. Let's see if we can hit this 29,000. Change, I can change. Looks all right for shorts up here, but with risk up to 29,040, I think it looks a little better if we go a bit higher. So trying it.
I got food in the 80s though, but then we went on a little push up and trying to get it muted.
Don't.
Still a decent area, my stop is going to be above 908 before it goes in. It's sitting at like 40 right now. Or you can keep it first up at 37 above the previous candle. That being said, this month or 6 months up, pretty right here.
Let's see, 29,000. Let's see. Yep. Try to starter piece too, everybody of shorts. 29,000, 28,990. Try a small piece to start. That's why I got in, is I can just blame you if I lose. I'd rather 29,000, but gotta at least try it. If we end up manipulating and not pushing down from this 15-minute low, then I have my worst case scenario stop at 29,040. Got to push down so far. Trying. 20 points here. It's early, but I'm taking a trim right here with how slow last week was. I took a trim at 68. Everybody. It's a little early, but taking an early trim. It was a rough last week for me, so I'm taking an early trim. See if we can get low a day here. I'd like to see like 28,950. We're going to get a confidence building trim. Hopefully a nice confidence building dub under our belt. There we go. 30 points. I'm also going to I'm moving my stops now that I've taken some off down to 29,000. I'd like to see us flush low a day here. I'd like to see us push down. My main price target, I'll likely be all out, is like 29,940 down here. At this point, I'm more open as we range to scalping. More if I can get 20, 30, 40, 50 point moves. You know, I'm fine with taking a nice confidence building dub. 20 points so far. I'd like to see 30 to 40, ideally. I'd like to see us just push down here. That said, I'm not going to let this trade go red. I will have a small green or a big green if we can push down to 29,940s. Put my stops at 29,000 right now, worst case. If we close this candle stronger, I'll stop it at like 995. So we'll have a baby green. Is it still valid to try? You still could. If your stops were either A, above 29,000, or B, worst case 29,000, like 37 to be exact. 29,037. I'd like to see us push down 20,040, but we're just chopping on this 1 minute back and forth. Stuck here at this low. We either have a small green, baby green, or hopefully we can push down further and get some continuation on like the 40s. But 25 points here, 30 points down at 60. Give me low a day, baby. Come on. Give me low a day. Give me low a day. Give me 45. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. With you, supersonic. I'm not letting this trade go red, everyone. We got down to 55. So what is that? 35 points. I like to see either low a day, 29,040s, or I stop just above break even. But 30 points plus, I don't want to hear anyone. What? I'm going to take off another bit of my position too and leave the remainder. I will sell. I will be all out at 29,940 or 28,940. All out at 28,940. So I'm just got to catch a dub. Just even one dub, even if it's little. It's not from 90 down to 55 so far, so 35 points. We'll take it. After last week, it'll be a good sign for this week. I'd rather us see 28,940. But you know, with market being a bit more choppy and rangy, we will take it. We will take it, everybody. I'd like to see us hit that low day, though. I'd like to see us hit low a day. Dun, 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 dun. Come on, baby. Don't reverse it. Push it down. Well, there's a small dub so far. We'll take it. Nice little scalp dub to start the day. Nice little scalp dub to start the day. Nice little scalp dub to start the day. We will take it. Dun, dun, dun. Orb went from 990, 996 down to 950. Not the continuation I would have wanted, but all right, guys, trade's over for me. Trade's over for me. Trade's over for me. We'll wait for the next one. We'll take a small dub to start the week. Take a small dub, give the fundeds a little life, give the live account some crumbs. We're not going to be eating Wagyu tonight. We can take the fam out for a nice mid-range steakhouse dinner. It's all right. If you like the setup still, if you want to keep your stops in at 29,000, 29,040, you can do that as well. I'm taking my small dub. I took my small dub. I'm fine with my small one to start the week. I'm fine with that. I'd rather see a bigger reversal or a bigger trend day, but if we're just going to chop in this area and range back and forth, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it, man. I'm cool with it. It's all right. You can take the fam to Golden Corral? No, I would never wish that upon anybody. Yeah, we'll see. This 29,000 area is a little sketchy. If we can have a high volume reversal candle, I wouldn't mind seeing that for a long entry. Actually, I like this 29,000 area a lot. We'll take it. Small dub. Small dub to start the day. Start the week. That's a good sign, right? Where would I enter for long? I'd like to see a solid 5-minute or 15-minute confirmation candle with higher volume to the upside, show buyers are stepping in, define the risk, and then rip it. But right now, there's nothing. Come on. Give me a nice trend day. One nice trend day. One nice trend day. That's all we're asking for. Not asking for $1 million. Not asking for the world. Just trying to find one nice trend day. I also wanted to trade a little more risk on today or risk off today because I got to leave at like 9:15 my time. So like 11:15 Eastern. I have to go a little early today. But as a reminder, guys, choose DOD. If you're in long, shorts, whatever you're trading, remember to choose discipline and follow your plan. You have the ability. You have the patience. You've seen glimpses of it. This is actually with this tick up to like 29,010. It's actually looking decent. This is the main area I wanted to short before. This is the main area that I wanted to short prior. Started a little early at like 990. But based on this, if we can get a strong selling candle here, it looks like it wants to go to low a day. So if you're still in, hopefully, fingers crossed, it can get some nice movement for you. You like the longs? I could see that if we get a strong reversal candle, but just be careful as we fail this 29,000. Not saying don't do it. Just saying be careful. Just be careful, man. What's wrong with Golden Corral? Damn, I guess I pressed some people. I don't know, man. I just think there's some better quality out there for you, bro. You know, I just think there's probably some. You only get one body. I'm not sure they use the best sourced ingredients to give you your optimal living and health situation. As a reminder, I appreciate you guys. Bro, even when I was broke, I wasn't eating Golden Corral, dog. It ain't a money thing. Even when I was broke. As a reminder, guys, we got one more day on that Take Profit Trader sale with code Jdun. Real ones, use code Jdun, the DOD code. I appreciate you rocking with me. We got 90% off Apex, 50% off Take Profit Trader. We also just added Top 1 futures to our partner list. They got some great deals. I know a lot of you guys have traded with them. They have Trade-Of-8 and Ninja Trader. You can use code Jdun for Top 1. They also have a buy one, get one that I like as well with the elites, I believe. You buy one, get one for like $39. So ends up being like $20 a piece. That actually looks good for continuation of the downside too. But between both fundeds and live, over 1,000 a day. Come on. I wanted to see 1,000 plus day total on the live as well. I wanted to see if we would have gotten my price targets below that 940, then ideally down to 28,900. That would have been money bags, but we're just chop-a-lopping in here. Missed the first trade, but there's always more. Ooh, there's a million more. I'm just glad to catch a nice winner to start the week. I'm happy with it. It's not huge. It wasn't a home run. But it starts the week off right. Starts the week off right for a banger. For a winner. How do you guys all do? You guys all follow your plan? Even if it wasn't that trade, you guys all doing all right this morning? You guys all choosing DOD? What's up, Unc? What's up, dog? I don't even care if you made money or not. Obviously, I want you to make money, but I want you to follow your plan more. That's what I care about most. Is you following your plan and choosing DOD, trading smart and trading safe. That's what matters most, guys. That's what, when you join me every single morning, that's what I want you focusing on. That's what I want you focusing most on. No. Screw August. I'm done with this month. Yeah, it's typically speaking lower volume. So that's why I'm more after I did my accountability testing this weekend and looked back on last week's trading week, I'm open to more scalping as well for this week. I'm open to scalping more 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 point moves. I'm open to it. Has anyone done the Lightning funded for Tradeify? Yes. I mean, they're cool to skip the eval, but here's the problem with skipping eval is that it comes with very low consistency. So it's tough to do overall. If you guys haven't checked it out yet, too, please check out teambull.com, the #1 place for you to find your fit before you fund with your hard-earned money. Teambull.com to find your next prop from account or the best fit for you. The Team Bull app comes out soon, too, this week. Yep, Apex is 90% off with code Jdun. That's right. Got Lucid at 40% off. Lucid's great. One of our top sellers in the last month. Funded Next has been a little more popular. FFF. People love those premier accounts. There's a choice for everybody as long as you're trading smart and trading safe with these firms. That's what matters most, is you're using them as a tool. That's what they are, as a tool. They are a tool. You probably didn't pass the consistency, Colleen. Watching your free content and thinking DOD has helped me get back in the game tremendously. That's amazing. I appreciate you being here daily, TaylorMade. Chat. You still in this trade, Grizzly Glock? I don't know if he is or not. Couldn't tell you. I could not tell you. This candle actually looks pretty good. It looks, you like these wicks up. We're above the 15-minute low, but that being said, this, if we're going to get anything, this is what you'd rather see than, full body up. So that's a plus. You still in this trade or you stop it? Oh. Nice. That's good. Nice. Nice. It's good.
I'm still watching them. They're still the same reject we talked about before, and I'm watching them to the end for them. I'm really pushing this market, trying to trade, you know?
Yep. I was telling everyone I'm down for more scalping until August figures itself out.
Yeah, I agree. A little more scalping.
Yep. There we go. All right, let's see. I love me some base hits, man. Honestly, that's how a majority of prop traders get paid out is base hits. They hate when you take base hits. They hate when you take base hits. We have a lot of fun stuff dropping this week, guys. The Team Bowl app drops this week. We also have what's it called? The free course dropping on Wednesday as well. 3 hours organized 3-hour organized free course, beginner free course. I'm super excited too because people all the time come up to me in public and they're like, Jdun, I see your trading, I want to learn. Now it's like, boom, take the free course and act like you paid $1,000 for it. If you guys have them, I love seeing you guys post your gains too in the post your gains tab. Love seeing you guys post your gains, the post your gains tab. I also am going to have some accounts to give away today as well. Do I expect better PA? I hope so. That being said, I don't ever know what PA is going to be. You never know. All you can do, you focus on what you can control. You can control your risk. You can control how you execute. You can't control whether your trade wins or loses. That's what you got to remember. So whenever you're struggling with your trading, your P&L isn't where you want it to be, you trust the process, man. You stay focused on what you can control, and that's yourself and your entries and your exits. You can't control if you make money or not, if the trade moves in your favor or not. What you can control is your risk. And if you control your risk long term, then you will make money. That's DOD. Do I trade Asia? Not a ton. But I try to help people with that. That's why I say if you join me, bless you, if you join me every single morning, that's something I'm going to help you with every day. It's keeping yourself disciplined and finding A+ setups and hopefully just having a good time in general. We like to make it fun and entertaining in an industry and a profession like trading that is inherently supposed to be boring. You know, trading in of itself, good trading is boring. Profitable trading is boring, but we do our best to make it fun. We do our best to make it fun. As a reminder, if you're on the TikTok, you guys are way behind on the likes, guys. Come on, like that live up. Like that live up, guys. Come on, tap that screen over and over, get them likes moving. You guys hit the like goal, 100K plus. I got something good for you. Hit that like goal. Come on now. Come on, baby. I'm also live simultaneously on You to the Tube, everybody. You to the Tube. You to the Tube. Come on, baby. I see those likes coming in. All right. Let's go. Also, if you're on YouTube, the Tube, appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up. Let's see how we're doing so far. Guys, how we got 1,400 people here and 282 likes. Hit that thumbs up button, baby. Like the live. Come on. All you people here, and you guys won't like it. Doing my best to help you guys every day. We can't get some likes. Come on now, guys. Hit that good karma button. Let's see here. Let's see if this gives us a setup. I was kind of thinking that 29,000 might want to be a strong support area. We'll see if we can actually end up getting some confirmation now. Don't. All right, it's time for my favorite type of music. Where is my rock and roll? My Chevelle. We appreciate you being here on live trade with us and give us insight into your trading. You're welcome. Always. What the heck? You guys are crazy. Tesla's climbing back into our 15-minute range as well. Tesla's doing its best to climb back into here. NVIDIA too. They're both trying. All right, so I'm going to go use the restroom quick. Got the first piss like a racehorse break. We'll see if we can find a second trade. Say hi, Gene. Say hello to everybody.
Hello. What's up? What's going on? I had a feeling eventually we're going to get this moved to the upside. Should I trade Jdun's account? Should I full port it? I think that we have a bit of a retracement up, probably up to like 29,125 or 29,150 maybe. I didn't think we would go lower first before retracing back up. We're super overextended from the EMAs. Let's see where I think we can get up to. I think we can get up to that. Yep, that 29,125. What? You want to sit on my lap?
Yeah. Mr. Santa's lap. You'll have to email their support, Colleen. I don't know. All right, chat. What do we think? Is this the reversal? Based on my experience, I think there's a good chance if we can hold this 29,000 that we can see a pretty aggressive move back into this 50% range here, 29,120. Yeah. No, something. Yeah, I'll just if you ever have problems with tech, you got to email the support. As much as I want to help you guys, unfortunately, I am not your customer support. I cannot help you with a support issue, but there is support can. Don't. Let's see what we get here, guys. Let's see if this 29,120 comes into play. Just want to see us retest the lows. Yeah, we'll see. We will see. I'm so new, so I don't actually trade yet. Well, good. That's probably a good thing. Learn your build your foundation first. Build your foundation first. Damn, Deshaun Watson as the starter. Shedeur Sanders will be the backup. What do you guys think about that, football fans? Deshaun Watson is the starter for the Browns. Browns are the most unserious organization. Yeah, they're not great. I paid him $250 million when he was starting. Yeah, not great. Yeah, not great. Man, I was really hoping they'd give us some sort of high volume reversal. Whenever you have those whole site numbers like 29,000 and overall uptrends, which we've had as an overall uptrend, those levels just smack. They just smack if you can have the discipline to trade them. You would have been fired the GM? Me too, man. All I can tell you, though, is my Broncos are coming. Don't get in front of the Stampede. We're coming this year. So are my Nebraska Cornhuskers. Trust. Amazon breakout. We got Tesla. Tesla breaking back out to the upside. The VIX is still low as heck. The VIX is so low. We need the VIX to pump up again. No Chargers and Hawkeyes. Come on, man. Oregon winning the Natty. No way, true crime fanatics. Though I do like your name. I love me some true crime. If I'm going to watch TV or if I'm going to watch anything on the TV, that's what I like to watch. Like true crime documentaries. That and sports. I don't game a ton, but when I do, I'll whoop. I'll open a can of whoop a double S on Madden too. So we're stuck in the middle here. If we are going to have a reversal, I'd like to see it in this zone right here. That said, I was telling you guys earlier, it's going to be a shorter day for me. I have a very, very busy Monday. So I'm going to the gym a bit earlier. And I believe that we are closing on that building I was telling you guys about in like 10 days. So I think we're going to get it. Going to get a killer deal. How many points? At like 35. So it's got a small scalp. Small winner. Jdun gym LARPing. Yes. That's what I do. Trade LARP, gym LARP, all of it. It's all a scam. No trade scam. Losing trade scam. Winning trade scam. All of it. No matter what I do. I don't take pre-workout. No pre-workout. Honestly, though, I would break my pre-workout. If any of y'all got one of the original Jacked, the JACK3D, I would break my abstinence of pre-workout with some old school Jacked. Any of you guys ever take that back in the day? Where's my OG gym folks that tried the original Jacked? That stuff was crazy. Excuse my language. That stuff was crazy. I let a naughty word slip. That stuff was crazy. Oh my gosh. So this is the only other area I liked for potential reversal, guys. Was up at these stacked key levels. It's like 120 area. If we got a reversal touch in here, I'd want to see us push back down or keep stops above like 145, 150. Was 13 trying. My brother's Jacked. Rumor has it to this day he's still on it. Felt like ants on your body. Yeah, that's how you know. So the reason why point of control is at two different spots on the different time frames is because point of control is measured based on the time frame. It's the highest volume point of the time frame you have chosen. That's why it's different on both. Yep, that's why you have different point of controls on both of the time frames. I do the prison workout. My pre-workout is coffee, death metal, and hard rap. Me too, bro. Me too, man. 100%. I used to take pre-workout like Total War, and C4 is kind of mid. I like Transparent Labs too. If I were to take here, let's see. This might give us a good reversal candle here, guys. If I were to take going to be from Transparent Labs. They don't use any artificial colors or flavors. So it depends. If let's say this confirms a short, I would have rather seen us test into the stacked key levels area. If we got this aggressive candle down, like let's say we closed at 29,070, just for example case, right? I'd probably have it like enter like 29,090 ish, and put my stop above like 120. The only problem with that, what do I not like about that setup? I don't like having my stop loss around a bunch of stacked key levels, because this would have been my original entry. So if we come up here, so we push up, I stop here, then it dumps, I'm going to be super salty. I like Transparent Labs a lot. I respect any company that doesn't use artificial colors or flavors. I'm super, super strict about that stuff. Yep, that's what I was watching too. I wanted to see us go a little higher. I wanted to see us up in those stack key levels around like 120.
Here. Now we'll add to it at 112. My stuff open for the beer fair. This is a deal for you for super shops because it really doesn't make sense to stop on the floor, right? Because you got 148.
Where is your view up here? It's hanging out up here. It's up at like 147.
Yeah, 148.
Yeah.
I've already added a little small size here. Most of my size will come in.
You miss a trade? Nope. Over $1,000 today in total. So not bad. Nothing crazy. Not gonna go and change my life, but it was a nice confidence builder for sure. Nice win under the belt. Yep. My ultimate goal this week is just survive August. Survive August. Yep, survive August. Dun, dun, dun. As a reminder, guys, we got 40% off the Lucid Daily account. So make sure you guys check out those Lucid Dailies. Daily payouts. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet stuff with Lucid there. 40% off with. Am I in a trade? No. I am not in a trade. Not yet. I work for C4. I'll bring you a new pre-workout to try on Friday. We might have office trading Friday. It's a possibility for sure. It's definitely possible. Why is MNQ VLOP different than NQ? Usually it's around the same area, but they can differ a little sometimes, especially with wicks and such. Do you prefer Tradify or Lucid for daily payouts? I think they're both fine. I like Tradify and Lucid. They're both great, and code Jdun works for both. If you guys have poster gains and Team Bull, I do have a few accounts to give away inside Premium today. Just saying. Just saying. Just saying. I got you. I got you, baby. No, just like you. What are my thoughts on this for shorts? This is the area I like. I'm probably going to take my dub for today and call it a day, though. I have to leave in 10 minutes anyway. 10, 15 minutes. Maybe Gene will get on and hang out with you guys for a little bit. Yeah. In like 10 minutes. Who's ready for the free course to come out Wednesday? Where are my foundation / beginner traders, even intermediate traders who are going to tap in with the free course? I put a lot of effort into it. It's all organized. It's really, really good. High production. Has sections, chapters. Literally, it's fire. It is fire, guys. It's fire. Wednesday it comes out. hopefully this short up here pays if anyone's in it. That's all I'd watch for right now. I'm taking my dub for the day, but if you are still trading, that's all I like. And then also the app launches this week as well. I did. Fingers crossed. Gonna sell off that pump. I hope so for everyone in shorts. For you, ooh-wee, I'm falling. Paid, thanks. Jdun, 286 base hit. Nice. Thank you, Jdun. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, bro. Do you short Bitcoin? No, but I do hold Bitcoin. I hold a lot of Bitcoin. I hold a lot of Bitcoin, my boy. I hold a lot of Bitcoin. I'm a believer long term. Am I going to get cooked or am I going to get rich? With my just under 20 Bitcoins, am I going to get cooked or am I going to get rich? What do you guys think? Am I going to get destroyed in the next 10 years or am I going to be buying SVJs? I own a lot of Bitcoin, bro. I'm going to hack you. Good luck. I hope not. It wouldn't be very nice. Think I'm going to be balling? What goes down must come up. I hope so. Yeah, I mean, for me, it's a symmetrical bet. It either goes to zero and I get cooked, or it goes really, really high and I win. So fun fact, I had to switch my cold storage because I was on the cold card before. I had one of the cold cards, the ones that got compromised. I was very lucky not to get hit. So I had to switch the cold storage up. Yep. Freaking cold card. They'll never come back from that. They'll never be trusted again, ever. Never. They'll never come back. Say it to me. Yeah, honestly, I'm not going to be buying cars for a while, though. I got a lot of big investments to make. I mean, just in the next month, I got like $6 million worth of investment to make, but maybe 2 months. One of the investments is this week. Like I told you guys, I don't buy cars. I don't do anything exciting anymore. I'm really boring. But I'm buying that building, that commercial building. I've been spending a lot of time on real estate. That's going to be like $2 million right there. And then whenever our next investment comes, it's going to be another like 3.6. So the cold storage got hacked because it was a coding error from 2021 where the seed phrases could be guessed. They weren't randomized. So yeah, pretty messed up. A lot of people lost a lot of money. I was very lucky to not get hit. Yeah, but I love boring businesses, man. That's the way. Like trading's great. The ultimate goal for me long term is boring businesses. Boring businesses, man. That's the way. Yep, a new Team Bowl office is coming in the next month as well. So The building I'm buying is not for the Team Bull office. Yep, multi-sig vault. Joe knows game. Joe knows game for sure. That's crazy. You work at Coinbase. That's nuts. Oh, yeah. Tax deductions for sure. I've been spending more time on real estate than I have on trading. I mean, honestly, trading only takes me like 2 hours a day, 2.5 hours. I'm like, what else can I do with my day? I don't believe in retirement. I don't believe in retirement at any age. You know that the word retire doesn't even exist in Japanese culture? I don't believe in retirement, man. I think when people retire, they start their clock to death. You always want to be sure you're living with purpose. Gotta keep that fire lit inside you, man. You got to be building. It's like your body is like a plant. If you're not growing, you're dying. I truly believe that. If you are not growing, you are dying in every way, shape, and form. Retirement does equal death 100%, unless you keep yourself moving. I mean, seriously. Seems short's not working. I mean, that's all I would look for up here on this retracement, but we might just chop. If I had to take a trade right now, it would only be shorts. We have all these stacked key levels. So whenever you have a wall of key levels like this, like you're seeing on my screen, there's a good probability that that rejects, especially if it's with the trend. Raising a family is great. I think having kids is a great thing. More young people have more kids. We need more babies and good dads and good moms. Absolutely agree, especially for men. We are designed to do hard things, provide, protect. Feeling lost, do something hard. Yep. Amen. Nice. Your dad retired and volunteered. That's great. Well, Grizzly, this is looking good. Let's see who's got that in Team Bull. It has dropped a Lucid 25K daily account inside Team Bull. First come, first serve for one person. They just got themselves a nice Lucid daily account. I'm also going to go to the post your gains and pick a few people to win as well. Inside Team Bull, we got She Wins 26. Last week was not good for me, but I stick to the plan with DOD $900. Thanks for your guidance, Jdun. Lucid Daily 25K. Nice job. Let's see if it keeps pushing. Grizzly Glock.
If you get it, man. We're going to the 60s, everyone. I will not add to this. I'm going to start trimming down there. I'm going to put my stock way down to the top of these candles.
Base hit first day back from a break. I wasn't in the right mindset to trade this the past 2 weeks. Had a lot going on in my personal life. 515 for Dawn. Thank you, Jay Dunn. You're welcome, Dawn. 25K Lucid Daily. Nice job, Grizzly Glock.
All right, I got filled trim there. I'm gonna play around with that second with my stop to entry. Whatever your average is, get your stop there. Don't crazy out with volume.
Nice. Let it die. All right, YouTube. Appreciate you guys being here. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and then press that bell icon and press all. Here's a 25K Lucid Daily for one of you guys. First come, first serve. First come, first serve. And then we'll show the TikTok some love too with the 25K Lucid. First come, let's see if this goes through. One person's getting that. One person's getting that Lucid 25K. Let's go. Yep. If you guys did take those shorts up there, nice job. Nice job. Hopefully we can get a push further down now. Yup. Gene, will you be on for Asia tonight? Yeah. Yes, Gene will be on for Asia tonight. I potentially will. Haven't fully decided yet. I haven't decided fully yet. Hopefully we can just die for everyone that's in shorts. Hopefully we can just rip down. We got the free course dropping on Wednesday, everybody. Chance you blew it. Let's see here. Let's see. All right. Here's the deal, guys. If you want to, I'm going to do a few more giveaways inside Team Bowl. You got to join the free Discord, free side of the Discord, if you'd like to be a part of it. So I'm going to post this link. All you guys should be a part of the free Discord anyway. If you guys have a Discord account, I post a lot of updates in there. Nice.
Make sure you traded with me today, Team Bull. Tag me and post your name.
Bro, the YouTube's got to hit the like goals. Man, you guys, we got to scratch each other's back. You can copy and paste this link too. Got to hit the like goals, my boy. Come on, man. I scratch you. You got to scratch me. My back itches too. Come on, bro. Yeah, join the free Discord. You can get more giveaways there too. If you guys have a Discord account, you guys should all be a part of it. Looks good. It looks actually really, really, really good. Looks really, really good. Finally, hopefully that's a good sign that we get some trend moves this week. Hopefully we get... This is the only setup we were watching for all morning. Minus we had that nice scalp here, but if you guys did take that reject up here, it's working out really nicely now. So if you guys did take the shorts, nice job. Oh, man, thinking you could live without me. This looks like that type of day that can find that 50% retracement of the day and then just die if we can get a nice trend move. Is the free course good for beginners? Yes. I said I liked shorts 100 times up here. I didn't say I was taking it. I said I liked it, though. I did not say I was taking it, though. I'm happy with my win I got today. I'm cool with my win. That being said, Gene, I have to mob out. I'm going to go and actually I probably got till like 8 more minutes. In 8 more minutes I'm gonna leave. And then Gene's gonna take over for a little bit before the stream ends. You took the short? No. Could you make a free course on options? That will be a part of add-ons to the free course later. Yep. You can use everything you learn in the free course, though, to apply to options trading. For sure. Just join the Discord. Nice. All right. It's time. It's time.
This clown has not even made a trade yet. Just talking all advertisement to get you to buy his course. I've already made my trade for today and cashed. Haven't you guys heard, guys? There's no trades for him yet today. Just clown talk and trying to buy the course. My name's Roy. It's so big you can't even measure it. I'm the man and I trade every day and I catch winners only, but this clown, he's only here to talk and yap and never trade. No trades for him.
I'm here to sell you my free course that drops this week. That is correct. Yes. Yep. It's going to cost you a whopping $0.00. I know, really expensive. I'm not sure if that's gonna make the budget or not, but oh man, we just like to have a good time. Here for a good time and a long time. It costs $0 to be nice, man. Hating's not gonna bring you anywhere else in your trading. A lot of them. Yeah, I should be paying you to take the free course. That's right. Hip. You getting out of here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Washer and dryer, but be delivered. I gotta deal with that.
Nice.
Yeah. See if we can't do the same thing tomorrow, Team Bull. Maybe a little more continuation.
See you, bro. Jdun is a scammer. You scam me into following my rules and being disciplined. Yeah, I'm going to scam you into following your rules and eating healthy and trading smart and trading safe and being sober and living a positive lifestyle. I'm going to scam you so hard into doing all that. Do you try to get us to buy or sign up for something during or after the free course? I do have premium programs you can get into for sure. But the free course is just the free course. Whether you want to continue that with me or not, that's up to you. Do I mind control? Yeah. I can say yes. My weakness is sup, guys. What up? What up? What up? Can't believe Jdun teaches discipline and preaches to live a healthy lifestyle and genuinely wants to see everyone suffer from success. What a scammer. Yep. I know. I want to see you suffer from too much success and following your plan. Stop scamming me from getting my life fixed. Oh, man. What a good trading day to start the week. I'm glad we could catch a nice winner. Glad we could catch a nice winner. And if you did end up taking the shorts at the stat Q level, potentially keeps going too. This man's scamming and is staying sober. Now I have no headaches. Scam. Yep. Not proud of myself after a good pre-market routine. I went and entered with urgency and no stop loss. That's not DOD. Come on now. You got to hit that follow button and you'll learn how to be DOD. Trade smart, trade safe every day. That's one of the many reasons why you should hit that follow. Tap in. Make this part of your daily routine to come and learn DOD. Fix your bad habits. Every single day. Just is real. My heart open just to feel. $360 off the shorts today. Nice. Nice. Would be the best thing. All right, guys. I'm going to step out. I got to get ready for the day. But Gene's going to hop on for a few minutes and answer any questions you have. He'll be live for Asia tonight as well. So I appreciate you guys rocking with me today. Gene's going to step in and say what's up. And I'll see you guys potentially for Asia tonight, if not tomorrow morning. I did not put myself on the schedule for Asia. I don't know if I'll be here. Gave away some accounts inside Team Bolt, and I'll be back with y'all tomorrow morning at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Every single day, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. We do this every single day. Make it a part of your daily routine to come choose DOD for the #1 futures and options trading live stream in the entire world. I don't know who I am anymore. This is not me. Why am I profitable? I blame it on DOD. Yep. Remember, too, if you guys need another prop firm account or your first prop firm account, or you want to find a better fit for you, you can go to teambull.com to compare and find your best fit. Yep. Teambull.com. Teambull.com. This seems all right, guys. Gene's gonna come say what's up. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Let's go.
What's up, guys? Let's see. Let me see if I can find you guys something. I'm gonna grab my laptop. Is it new?
No, I just haven't been using it. But you see all the sports and stuff.
It's nice.
This area a little more.
Yep. It's really like sleek and small.
Yeah.
These lights are bright. Let me see what I was watching. Let's see. Why is my thinking swim being weird? There we go. I think we get a potential short. Let's see. Overall trend is down. We rejected off that 50% retracement. So I'm watching it both ways. If it pop back into that 75, I would look for a short. Let's see. Let's see. I typically don't trade gold for New York. You can see me stream for Asia on TikTok under Trading with Dinero. You can follow me on Instagram too. I am gonna try and get my YouTube going this week. It'll just all my channels are gonna be Trading with Dinero. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. There is music on. Let's see. I think it's gonna go without me. I wanted that like 70 to 75 area. I do want to see how we react as well too to this 29028 and this 29,010. Yeah, I did make a YouTube channel. I just need to go live on it. If I do take a trade, guys, remember that we are after 11 Eastern, so don't take it with a lot of size. That's all I'm gonna say. One hour looked good for reversal. Pushing up on lower volume. Let's see. They're testing that area that I liked. Just close that 5 minute. If you look at the 15 minute, we are trying to push up on lowering volume. Let's see. It's just, let me see if it changed. Make sure it changed on YouTube. I'm gonna start doing more long form videos as well. It's literally just trading with dinero. Let's see. Honestly, all that comes up when I search it up too is just all my streams on Jdun's channel. Why is it so hard to find? Let me see. Maybe try filter it with channels. No, why it's not coming up? Just look up dinero trades. Yep, Tyler found it. I haven't really posted much on there right now, but I'm planning on doing so and going live there. I need to set up everything at the office on my PC. Got about a minute and a half left on these candles. On this 15-minute. I do like this 120 to 130 for a short. We got that Asia low as well as the London low. Wow, what was that? All right, I'm watching this right here. Pumping into it right now. There's a big surge of volume coming in. Oh yeah, Big Zo. I've always had a YouTube, but I finally changed the channel name. Where's the 50% retracement of the day? Like at the 61.8 right now. Oh, man. I'm gonna try a piece of NQ short with 4 micros and keep my stops above 44. 20-point stop with 4 micros. I'm risking around $150 on the trade. I want to see if we get back into like 77. Tried a piece of shorts there. got filled at 124. My stop will be at 144. See if we get a little bit of a push down. I think we can retrace a little bit. If I get stopped out, I would take a loss for 158 with 4 micros, which isn't really too bad. Looking for us to drop into like 80, 29.080-ish area. I like how we pumped straight in that area. I think we can get some retracement before continuing going back up. So I'm trying to play a quick move onto the downside, just on that retracement back down. It's pretty low risk. I mean, I'm not in with heavy size. I'd suggest you guys not to be in on heavy size either. You guys did take it. I don't really want to mess with Jdun's charts. I guess I will screw it. Let me take some of this off. Playing it off the Asia low. Down like 10 points or so right here. Could very well just pump past it, but not really risking too much. Bless you. Not really risking too much on this, guys. Very small trade. Email. Here, I'll put the email for support. Everybody watch the trade for me while I do this. There you go. That's the support for Team Bull. Not looking too good, guys. Down around 60 bucks right here. Very small size. That's what I've been doing for New York. I've been trading a lot smaller size. Stopped out for 158 on my MNQ micro. That's all I think I'm gonna take, honestly. I don't really see nothing else. Took me down from being up 560 to being down, or I'm up 398 on the day now. My typical size for funded accounts is anywhere from like 3 to 8 micros. I try to keep it around 5. I think 5 micros is good. We were rejecting Asia low. We had VWAP here as well as 61.8. If we were gonna push down for a retracement back down, it would have been in this area. Oh man. Yeah, honestly, if you're not 100% with any of your trades, you should be trading really, really light. No, I typically don't trade chart patterns. I mean, I will watch consolidation like breaks. I mean, it's kind of just textbook at that point. Like if you have a consolidation, it's either going to break up or break down. So when it comes to those type of consolidations, those are where I think those are pretty valid. I currently just got the book, the best trader or the best loser wins. I just got that book. I'm gonna start reading it just because I feel like I have work to do when it comes to minimizing losers to maximize winners. Um, I'm at a point where my trading where I'm doing good. I'm making anywhere from 5 to 10K a month just from trading, plus my additional incomes. So my whole goal with reading this book and trying to become better at minimizing my losses and maximizing my wins. I feel like my wins are pretty good, but when it comes to losses, I want to look at it through a different lens and see where I can develop. Yeah, I mean, the biggest thing is I've always hated losing, and I realize that I need to become better at it. After you get like pretty good at, fairly well at trading, and you're taking payouts, you're passing accounts pretty easy. Well, what are you gonna do? It's like a never-ending game. What are you gonna do to, um, basically get better at what you're doing? So for me, that's working on my risk management more. Um, I feel like my strategy is solid. So you have strategy, risk management. Those are like the two things. Strategy is pretty solid for Asia. That's what I've been working on around this last year. Next thing is really just gonna be risk management. And more or less, I think I have good risk management in Asia. It's more or less in New York. With New York, it goes hand in hand too. I realize I need to, take this book, read this book, take the lessons from the book, implement it into my trading, but also just back testing as well too. Can I identify stop points? Can I identify where I need to set stops, where my setups are invalidated? Just really just things like that. And if I want to get to that next level of my trading, then these are the actions I need to take to do so. Any other books? I literally just started it today. I read like the first 10 pages today. Another book I'd recommend. I don't like books for strategy. I only like psychology books. So another book I'd like is The Mental Game of Trading by Jared Tendler. Fun fact, he's actually our psychology coach here in Team Bull. He comes in at least 1 to 2 times a month. A benefit of being a premium member. I feel so short in this chair. I do have a live account. I don't utilize it as much. I like with prop firms. I like the leverage it gives me. No, I've never gotten a warning of inactivity. I don't know if I'd say I'm his best student. I'm his shortest student. And his most I'm his darkest student too. I can't believe honestly I haven't read the book The Best Loser Wins even earlier in my trading career. I always have read a lot of trading books. I think my first trading book I ever read was what was it? I think it was called like The Art of Day Trading or something like that. Let me see. Or How to Day Trade for a Living. That's the first trading book I ever read. How many accounts do I blow in a month? So I spend anywhere from 1 to 2K in evals a month. And I end up getting anywhere from 5 to 10K in payouts a month, average. So if I spend 1,000 on evals, then I'm making, net 4,000. I think this month, I'll check what it is this month. I've been utilizing that prop firm. It's called like Prop Firm Sync in TradeZella. That's how I track everything. I just connect my bank account to it, and it'll tell me all of my stats. Let's see. Let's see. I'll let you know right now how much I've made for the month. I do want to note it is August, so this isn't going to be one of my better months. My best months are typically the winter months. So, my best month this year to date was in April. I made around like 14,000 on the month. That's net too after expenses. Let's see. So far for this month, I've made, I don't know if you can see that. I've spent 1,500 in evals. I've earned 6,900, so my net ROI is 5,400, 355% ROI. So, I mean, I think that's pretty good. In conjunction with my, day job, I've made over 10,000 a month. So, I mean, say what you want. No, I don't get free accounts from Jdun. I pay for everything that I have. Say what you want. I don't need to be making, it's unrealistic to sit here and say that you need to make 10 to 20, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 a month trading. Like, realistically, if you can make 5K a month from trading and even, 5K from your job, you're making 10K a month. So, my day job, I work for Team Bull. Nope, I do not give free accounts from Jdun. He gives all of his free accounts to you guys. Some may think that is surprising, but yeah, just because we're friends and just because I work for him and work for Team Bull does not entitle me to free accounts. I pay for my own accounts. Semi-remote. Yeah, I mean, I really have no expectation to get free accounts. So take the number, if I made 5,400 so far and I get, even just one more payout on these two accounts that I got, I'll be up $9,000 net for the month. Anybody telling you that 5 to 10K net from trading is not good, they either don't make money from trading. That's pretty much the main thing. They most likely don't make money from trading. Yeah. I copy trade anywhere from 2 to 5. I've really been, just because summer is a lot more slow than the winter, I am only focused on a set of accounts with one prop firm. So I haven't been trading too many prop firms at once, just because it's a lot to manage, and the way that the market's been moving so slow and choppy in the New York session, I've just been finding it better to focus on, 5 accounts with one firm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to you and tell you that I'm making, 30,000 a month from trading, 50,000 a month from trading. I'm gonna be straight up with you. This month I made 5,400 trading, plus my additional incomes. I think I'm doing fairly well. I'm making more than I would at a corporate job, and I have the flexibility of being able to take, days off when I want. I can afford pretty much, anything that I'd like. I'm only 23. Ask yourself this: if you guys were making, over 100K, 150K at 23 years old, where would you guys be, and what would that be for you? And who knows? By the time I'm 30, by the time I'm Jdun's age, by the time I'm, in my 40s, knows how much I'll make with my trading? I've been doing this for 5 years. I've been getting more consistent over the last 2.5 years. And I don't know. At the end of the day, I'm thankful. If you get, there's always good. It's always good to have ambition, but don't get greedy. Be thankful and be grateful for what you're given and what your ability is right now. And that's why I'm taking the actions of, reading books, trying to seek that education, figure out how I can, optimize my trading in order to get, keep more of my money. And yeah. What about other people from Team Bull? So my strategy in New York is a bit different than my strategy in Asia. That's where I mostly focus on is in Asia. That's my bread and butter. And Asia could be good for a lot of you people that are watching, that are busy at work while you're watching Jdun streams. They could, Asia can benefit you a lot. You'll have more time to focus, so that you are watching a stream, you're listening to it in your headphones, or you're listening while you're working. You're not really able to focus too much in your trading. Asia could be a great way for you to, participate in the market, still trade futures, and yeah, just be better. My John rocks at Asia is so choppy for me. So I've kind of moved my strategy a bit. I've been trading at 8:30 Eastern rather than right at open at 4 p.m. Mountain, so 6 p.m. Eastern. I've been waiting 2.5 hours before I trade the market. And what I tell people is you can look for anywhere from 20 to 40 points in the evening, with say you catch, 30 points on average for 4 nights a week. That's 120 points instead that you're trading, say you're trading 12 micros. That's like 2,800. 2,800, you have 5 accounts. Say that you even pull just half of the balance. The thing too is, guys, what I've been realizing is if you have 5 accounts, you can manage to make 2K off of each account a month. That's 10K. You know what I mean? That's something I had to realize for myself too, is I don't need to make, I don't need to make 5,000 a month on each account. But I'm gonna go ahead and hop off, guys. It is already almost 10 a.m. here in Colorado. I'm gonna go enjoy my day, probably get some breakfast, go to the gym, hang out, and enjoy my Monday. And I advise you guys to do the same too. If you guys are if you guys are at work, have a great rest of your day. Try and be positive going into it. Even if you're not exactly where you want to be in life, still be positive and thankful that you're breathing, and be thankful for the small things like your family and the ability to trade. The thing too is being even, I kind of thought about it like this, in a silly note. I'm even thankful for my eyesight. You wouldn't be able to trade if you didn't have your eyes, so you could be thankful for that. I will see you guys later for Asia. I most likely won't be on YouTube. Later I'll probably just be on TikTok. So if you guys want to follow me, it's Trading with Dinero on TikTok. I'll be live there. My Instagram is Trading with Dinero. Hopefully we catch something nice tonight. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.